friends on YouTube. Today we are going to learn how to wash our hands. Washing our hands helps keep us clean and healthy. First, we turn on the water. Now we take some soap and we put our hands under the water. We rub our hands together, front and back, between our fingers and our thumbs. We keep rubbing, nice and slow. We rinse our hands with water. All clean? Great job! Now we turn off the water. See? Finally, let's dry our hands with a towel. Washing our hands is very important. You did an amazing job. See you next time, my friends. Let's keep learning together. If you liked this video, tap like. Subscribe to learn and play with Cosmo.